Here are the top 10 richest skit comedians in Nigeria in 2024. The Nigerian entertainment industry has witnessed a tremendous growth in recent years, and the rise of social media has played a significant role in this development. Among many talented individuals who have leverage on social media are the skit makers. The creative individuals have captured the hearts of millions with their hilarious and relatable skits. As their popularity continues to grow, so does their bank accounts. So today we'll be revealing the top 10 richest skit comedians in Nigeria in 2024, their net worth, cars, mansions, and many more. From the likes of sabinus to Broda Shaggy, BrainJotter, and Sydney Talker. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating, and exciting content. Welcome to Cheesy Media. Mr. Macaroni, whose real name is Depo Adebayo, was born on the 3rd May 1993. His journey to stardom began with his passion for acting and comedy. He honed his acting skill at the Lagos Film Institute and began his career in 2014. However, his transition into online comedy skits catapulted him to fame. His signature style, featuring the brand Abada, has made him a household name in the Nigerian comedy industry. And today, he is one of the biggest and the richest comedians in Nigeria with his unique sugar daddy type of comedy. Mr. Macaroni has an estimated net worth of 800 million naira. Samspedy is one of the biggest YouTubers in Africa with an astonishing 3.4 million subscribers on YouTube. He is a content creator, an entrepreneur, and a medical doctor. His real name is Samuel Oluwafemi. He was born on the 5th May 1994. His unique comedy style focuses on African culture and the way of life, especially African mothers. Samspedy's success is a testament of his hard work, creativity, and his ability to connect with his audience. As his popularity continues to grow, so does his bank account. Samspedy owns 3 mansions in Lekki and other expensive and luxurious mansions all over Lagos. He has 3 luxurious and expensive cars. He has an estimated net worth of 1.8 billion naira. Number 8 on the list today is Taoma. She is the richest female comedian not just in Nigeria but in Africa. Her growth further reflects the saying, what a man can do, a woman can do even better. Her real name is Mary Ann Apapogogi. She is currently 25 years old and she is from Kwara State, Nigeria. She started comedy in 2015 after convincing her husband to teach her video editing. Her comedy skit is centered on exposing African mothers and their unique manner of disciplining African children with a hot laugh. Today, she is one of the richest and also one of the biggest female comedians in Nigeria. Apart from comedy, she is also an entrepreneur and a director. She is the CEO and founder of Chop Tour, a food company that is based in Lagos. She is also a director at Greenlit Company, a film institute based in America. Taoma owns several luxurious mansions in Lagos and other expensive and luxurious cars. She has an estimated net worth of 2 billion naira. BC Emmanuel Ezechukwu, popularly known as Nasty Black, is a Nigerian skit maker, actor, and content creator. He is known for his funny and relatable skits with his massive 5 million followers on Instagram. He has built an impressive online presence with a huge fan base and an audience. Nasty Black, who hails from Anambra State, Nigeria, is considered as one of the biggest skit comedians in Nigeria. As his popularity and audience continues to grow, so does his bank account. He is the 7th richest comedian in Nigeria with an estimated net worth of 2.4 billion naira. He owns a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, a 2023 Range Rover, and a Mercedes-Benz AMG worth over 200 million naira. Lord Lamba, whose real name is Promise Anabogu, he hails from Anambra State, Nigeria. Lord Lamba is a familiar name in the Nigerian comedy industry. He is a popular Instagram comedian, Facebook, and YouTuber with a unique style of comedy while lying in relationship and getting out of cheating situations. Lord Lamba is regarded as one of the richest skit makers in Nigeria with other expensive and luxurious cars and also a stunning mansion in Lagos. Lord Lamba has an estimated net worth of 2.8 billion naira. BrainJotter, whose real name is Chukwuebuka Amuzie, is a talented comedian, screenwriter, content creator. He hails from Owerri in Imo State, Nigeria. BrainJotter has become a household name in the Nigerian comedy industry. He is regarded as one of the richest skit comedians in Nigeria, with a massive 16 million followers across all social media platforms. BrainJotter owns several luxurious and expensive mansions in Lekki, Lagos. He owns a mansion worth 220 million naira, a Mercedes-Benz GLE, and a 2021 Lexus LS 470 worth over 120 million naira. BrainJotter has an estimated net worth of 3 billion naira. Mr. Funny, aka Oga Sabinus, whose real name is Chukwuemeka Ejukwu, is a Nigerian comedian, actor, and also an AFVCA content creator. Oga Sabinus is currently one of the hottest and the biggest and one of the most influential content creators in Nigeria. The Port Harcourt-born content creator is one of the biggest names in the Nigerian comedy industry, with a massive over 18 million followers across all social media platforms. Sabinus owns several mansions, one in Lagos and also a massive one in Port Harcourt, his hometown. The mansion is reportedly worth over 200 million naira. He owns several luxurious and expensive cars worth over 120 million naira. Sabinus has an estimated net worth of 3.2 billion naira. Sidney Tucker is a respected name in the Nigerian comedy industry. He is one of the first names that started up skit making on Instagram. He is one of the richest and one of the most influential skit makers in Nigeria. His real name is Sidney Egere, and he hails from Edo State, Nigeria, but he was born and raised in Lagos State. Sidney Tucker went viral after posting series of comedies of him dancing while putting on towel. Since then, he has grown with a massive fan base of over 4.4 million followers on Instagram. He has several endorsement deals and also a luxurious mansion both in Lagos and his hometown in Edo State. He has an estimated net worth of 3.5 billion naira. Number 2 on the list today is Broda Shaggy. Since breaking into the Nigerian entertainment industry, Broda Shaggy has literally done everything to cement his place in the limelight, from comedy to singing to acting and production. Broda Shaggy, whose real name is Samuel Perry, hails from Ogun State, Nigeria. Broda Shaggy's brand is not just one of the biggest brands in the comedy industry, but also in movies. He has featured in several Netflix movies, which he has played the major roles in them, with a massive fan base of over 20 million followers across all social media platforms. Broda Shaggy has several luxurious and expensive cars, from a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon to a Range Rover. He owns 3 expensive and luxurious mansions in Lekki, Lagos. He has an estimated net worth of 4.5 billion naira. Number 1 on the list today will come as a surprise to many, but Michael Angel Comedy is the richest content creator in Nigeria. Most people underestimate him because he loves to keep his life private, but he is the biggest and one of the originators of the modern skit making in Nigeria. His comedy is centered on his little niece Emanuela, the McAngel brand, which later grew into a household name to McAngel Comedy, McAngel Music, McAngel Movies, McAngel Stores, and many more. Today, his YouTube channel is the biggest in Nigeria and also the second biggest YouTube channel in Africa, only behind American comedian and also who is also from South Africa, Trevor Noah. He has an impressive 9.1 million subscribers on YouTube, which is bigger than Davido, Wizkid, and Burna Boy. He has a whopping 4 billion views on YouTube, and he has an estimated earning of over $70,000 monthly from YouTube. McAngel has an estimated net worth of 7 billion naira. Okay guys, drop a comment below. Tell us what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.